there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're doing another episode of our Plating Like a Pro. We're going to do a nice simple tomato salad today. We've got some beautiful little heirloom tomatoes, little cherries and grapes and that. Little red onion, some fennel, little radicchio, some basil, some extra virgin olive oil and balsamic. And we're just going to plate it up and let's see where we're at. All right. For the fennel and the red onion, I'm just going to do the mandolin, and we're just going to do it real fine. So we're going to do, set it there. And again, you want it just nice, fine, almost little shavings there. And we're going to do the same thing with a little onion. We're going to just shave a little bit of that. Beautiful little shavings. And then the radicchio we're just going to take, and we're just going to same thing, but and we're just going to need a little bit of this. And this is really just for color and because it's nice, and the little bit of the little bitter that goes with it is really nice with the salad. And then we'll just take our tomatoes, and the tomatoes I'm just going to half them up today. These are nice size, and just get a nice little color and combination of different sizes and shapes and colors. Make it festive and pretty, and that's really what it's all about. And then we've got that, and then we're ready to roll. All right, so let's get plating. All right, so we've got a little olive oil here, and now one of the fun things to do is just to play with this. I've got some of these decorating spoons, and these are kind of cool. They come in different sizes for different applications, but we're just going to take a little bit of the oil, and we're just going to follow the line of the plate with that. So we're going to take a little dollop and see how it follows the line of the plate. That's perfect, just what we wanted. And we're going to do the same thing with the balsamic glaze, and we're going to put a little bit in that. These almost work like a little fountain pen. But see how it comes out, and it's just like little drops all over. Nice, simple, and then we'll build our salad. And again, you don't need a ton. That's the beauty part. We'll do like a nice little pile. Build a little fennel and some red onion on there. Sprinkle a little radicchio around. And of course, tomato salad, we almost have to have a little basil with that. So we've got some of our basil. And I'm just going to give this a little quick chiffonade. We'll roll it up and slice it like we've done in. A little bit of that right on top. Make sure we clean the plate up a little bit on the edges. Get everything inside. Of course, got to have a little salt and pepper. And there we go. Beautiful little simple tomato salad, a little fennel and red onions. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Go ahead and try that. Press everybody. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.